Good morning, everyone. Dan, I got a good morning back. Thank you so much. Wow, there we go. Well, first, we're going to have in just a minute the presentation of colors, and I'm going to ask a wonderful person who is a translator, Fanny Salmon, to join me up here in just a, go ahead, come on, Fanny. So Fanny will help me along in translation. So we are so excited to be here this morning to celebrate the 60th anniversary of our sister city relationship with Deauville, France, and Lexington. Celebrating 60 years of a relationship that has produced so much goodwill between our two cities and our countries. It was back in 1956 that U.S. President Dwight Eisenhower founded the Sister City program as a way to promote world peace after World War II. And just 1 year later, in 1957, Deauville and Lexington became sister cities, making us among the first two cities in the world to form a relationship through the program. Fanny?
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue pour cette célébration du 60e anniversaire de notre jumelage entre Deauville, France et Lexington. C'est un moment magique d'être ici avec vous aujourd'hui pour célébrer 60 ans d'une relation qui a produit énormément de bienveillance entre nos deux villes. C'était en 1956 que le président américain Dwight D. Eisenhower a créé le programme des Sister Cities pour promouvoir la paix dans le monde après la Deuxième Guerre mondiale. Et juste un an plus tard, en 1957, Deauville et Lexington devenaient des sœurs jumelles, faisant de nous les deux premières villes au monde à créer ce type de relation à travers ce programme.
And since then, our cities have found many common interests that span the miles between us. And we have certainly found a common bond through our love of horses. Former Mayor, Madame Durnano, Deauville Vice Mayor, Patrice Santos, and County Kildare Mayor Miley. We are delighted that you all are with us today. Let's join. Before I go much further, I want to say it's so good to have several of our city council members with us today. Councilmember Bill Farmer, who is chair of Lexington's Sister Cities Commission, Richard Maloney, Susan Lamb, Jake Gibbs, and former Vice Mayor Linda Gorton. Will you all stand so we can give you a hand? Thank you all so much. I know the Vice Mayor, former Vice Mayor Linda Gorton is here too. And we have another special guest with us today. It was in 1944 that Victor Robinson landed on the beach at Normandy during the D-Day landing. Just a few weeks ago, Victor was presented the French Legion of Honor, and we are so proud to have him with us today. We consider him a hero. Victor, please stand and let everyone thank you for your brave service to our countries.
Nous avons un autre héros très spécial avec nous aujourd'hui. En 1944, Victor Robinson a débarqué sur les plages normandes pendant le débarquement. Et juste il y a quelques semaines, on lui a remis la Légion d'honneur. Nous sommes très fiers qu'il soit avec nous aujourd'hui. Nous le considérons comme un héros et nous voulons saluer Victor.
So it was 60 years ago that Lexington and Deauville began a relationship that over the years would prove to be so positive and fruitful. We've learned from each other in ways that make both of our cities richer and more welcoming to the world. So in that spirit, I am so honored today to welcome and introduce the esteemed Vice Mayor of our sister city, Deauville, Miss Isabelle Patrice Santos. Please.
Il y a 60 ans, Deauville
The
Lexington.
Vice Mayor will speak next, but please go ahead for the introduction. Vice Mayor Patrice Santos.
Il y a 60 ans, Deauville et Lexington commençaient cette relation qui allait se révéler si riche et si productive. Nous avons appris les uns les autres, nous avons aidé à enrichir nos villes et à les rendre plus accueillantes de par le monde. Et c'est dans cet esprit que c'est un grand honneur pour moi d'accueillir et de vous présenter la très honorable maire adjointe de notre ville jumelle Deauville, Madame Isabelle Patry-Santos.
Chers amis, dear friends, I want to read to you the letter of Philippe Augier, our mayor. Je me réjouis de vous voir assemblés à Lexington pour célébrer les 60 ans d'un lien unique entre nos villes. Je regrette de ne pouvoir être des vôtres aujourd'hui, étant retenu à Deauville par d'autres obligations.
Dear Mayor, dear Council Member, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends from Lexington, Deauville, Kildare, and beyond. As the Mayor of Deauville, it gives me great pleasure to know that you are gathered in Lexington, celebrating 60 years of a unique bond between our cities. I regret that I cannot be among you today, being withheld in Deauville by municipal duties.
Je tiens cependant à profiter de cette occasion pour témoigner du plus profond attachement que Deauville et les Deauvillais ressentent pour cette amitié et ces relations qui se sont forgées au fil des 10 dernières décennies. Depuis la signature de la toute première charte en 1957 par notre maire Robert Fossorier et Madame Wegers, les citoyens de nos villes respectives se sont rendus visite, ont ri, appris et grandi ensemble. Depuis le début, nous avions le cheval en commun, mais nos échanges se sont développés bien au-delà, sur le plan des rencontres, des études, des expériences professionnelles et de la culture. Ces liens ont survécu 60 ans à l'époque du temps et transcendent maintenant les générations.
I do, however, want to convey to the citizens of Lexington how much the city of Deauville values our friendship and the relationships that we forged over the past 6 decades. Since Mayor Fossorier and Mrs. Wagers signed our first twinning charter in August of 1957, citizens of our respective cities have flown back and forth, laughed, learned, and grown together. From the beginning, we shared common ground in the horse, yet our exchanges expanded far beyond on social, academic, professional, and cultural levels. The contacts initiated have lasted through years and now transcend generations.
Il est difficile de trouver meilleur ambassadeur à la tête de notre délégation que Madame Anne Dornano, qui a toujours cru et ouvré pour nos programmes. Madame Isabelle Patry-Santos, notre maire adjointe de l'éducation, de la culture, des jumelages, et Philippe Béoué, l'infatigable et honorable président de l'association des jumelages, qui donne tellement de son temps et de son énergie. Merci Philippe.
It is hard to think of better ambassadors to lead our delegation than Mayor Anne Dornano, who has so actively contributed to our exchanges over the years. Isabelle Patry-Santos, our Vice Mayor in charge of education, culture, and sister cities, who's not making her first visit to Lexington and keeps it fondly in her heart. And Philippe Béoué, the dedicated president of our twinning committee, who donates so much time and energy.
En devenant maire, j'ai hérité d'une tradition très active et profondément ancrée. Depuis les années 70 et le programme piloté, instauré par Madame Anne Dornano, des étudiants de Lexington viennent chaque année dans nos écoles primaires. Nos enfants sont exposés à une autre langue et de plus grands oraisons à cet âge encore magique où la peur de la différence n'est pas un facteur. Les échanges entre nos jeunes lycéens et les bourses d'études universitaires poursuivent cet élan et ouvrent des perspectives, tandis que de jeunes carrières prennent leur envol grâce à des stages facilités par nos jumelages.
Upon becoming mayor, I inherited a tradition very much alive and deeply rooted. Since the 70s and the pioneer program initiated by then Mayor Anne Dornano, students from Lexington have come to our primary schools. Our children have been exposed to a different language and broader horizons at a tender age when the fear of difference has not yet settled in. Exchanges for high school students and university scholarships provide further perspectives, while young careers take off through some of the internships our sister cities facilitate.
Après la Seconde Guerre mondiale, le président Eisenhower a fixé une priorité. Mieux comprendre nos cultures pour assurer une paix durable. La culture sous toutes ses formes nous rapproche. C'est avec enthousiasme que nous allons continuer de construire sur ce fond commun des expériences à partager pour les décennies à venir.
In the aftermath of World War II, President Eisenhower made promoting cultural understanding a priority as we aim for sustainable peace. Culture, in all its forms, brings us closer, and we look forward to keep building on this legacy of shared experiences for decades to come.
Avec mes salutations sincères, Philippe Augier, Mayor of Deauville.
With my very best regards, Philippe Augier, Deauville Mayor. And now, because I know Isabelle keeps Lexington very close to her heart, she also has a few words that she'd like to share with you.
Only some words. Monsieur le maire de Lexington, mesdames et messieurs les officiels, chers tous, chers amis, je suis venue à Deauville en 2005, à Lexington, au nom de la Normandie, avec des médailles de gratitude pour remettre aux vétérans américains, pour célébrer la reconnaissance, pour dire merci. Ce fut un moment inoubliable d'émotion.
Dear Mayor, dear council members, dear friends, I first came here to Lexington in 2005 to reward American veterans with medals given by the region of Normandy to celebrate our gratitude. And it was an incredible emotional moment.
Je suis venue ensuite en 2007 à Lexington avec Madame Anne Dornano et une délégation de Deauvillais pour célébrer 50 ans d'amitié.
I then came back in 2007 here in Lexington with Madame Anne Dornano and a delegation from Deauville to celebrate 50 years of friendship.
Nous sommes en 2017. Difficile de renouveler les mots. Ils viennent du même cœur, mais ils doivent célébrer 60 ans d'anniversaire. Ce n'est pas rien, 60 ans. Ensemble, nous mesurons le chemin parcouru.
And we are now in 2017. It's hard to find the words. They come from the same heart, but they need to celebrate the 60th anniversary. And 60 years, that's quite something when we think of all the ground we've covered together.
Nous avons plaisanté à Deauville en septembre avec Anne Dornano, Betty Mills et Bill Farmer lors des célébrations deauvillaises à la Villa Strasburgère autour de la formule « Tu vas au pupitre, tu dis merci, tu retournes t'asseoir ».
When we celebrated the 60th in Deauville, we joked with Madame Dornano, Mrs. Betty Mills, and Bill Farmer. When he asked what he should do, and he was jokingly told, you walk up to the stand, you say thank you, and you go back to sit down.
Je suis au pupitre.
I am at the stand now,
Je vais retourner m'asseoir dans un instant.
and I will go back to sit in a moment.
Mais ce moment est précieux et je souhaitais en profiter.
But this is a precious moment, and I'd like to make the most of it.
En profiter pour dire notre bonheur de voir ce jumelage grandir, mûrir sans vieillir.
I would love to take the opportunity to tell you how happy I am to see this partnership grow, mature, without getting old.
En profiter pour reconnaître ensemble et officiellement que ce jumelage est une chance pour tous, de rencontres, de découvertes, une chance en particulier pour nos jeunes d'élargir leurs horizons.
To make the most by recognizing together and officially that this partnership, this Sister Cities, is a chance for all to meet, to discover, a chance in particular for our youth to broaden their horizons.
Bien sûr, les volontés et soutiens politiques, logistiques, financiers sont importants pour un jumelage, mais nous savons qu'un jumelage n'est rien sans vous, sans toutes les forces vives qu'ils font exister.
Of course, we are aware that the will, the politics support, the logistics and financials are important for any sister city. But we also know that a sister city exchange is nothing without you, without all the living forces who give it life and make it sustainable.
Alors merci. Merci aux fondateurs de cette alliance. Merci aux maîtres d'œuvre du quotidien qui font que ce jumelage marche terriblement bien. Merci à vous tous de nous recevoir.
So thank you. Thank you for the forebearers of this alliance. Thank you to the people who make it work on a daily basis and make it work so well. And thank you to all of you for welcoming us. And now,
Et avant de retourner m'asseoir,
and before I go back to seat,
je voudrais essayer de vous transmettre, non pas en mots, mais en sensations, sons, images, odeurs, tout ce qui nous unit.
I would like to share with you, before I go back and sit down, everything that cannot be expressed easily in words. Their feelings, sounds, images, smells, all that unites us.
Pour la vue, ce qui nous unit et nous rapproche, ce pourrait être les drapeaux de nos deux villes qui flottent dans le vent dès l'entrée de Deauville, les drapeaux américains qui jalonnent notre rue principale tous les mois de septembre pendant le Festival du cinéma américain.
To the eye, what unites us and brings us closer could be those flags of our two cities which float through the wind at the entrance of Deauville. The American flags you find on our main streets every September during the American Film Festival.
Pour l'odeur et le toucher, l'odeur de la terre d'un champ de course et des chevaux dans la rosée des petits matins.
For the smell and the touch, it would be the smell of a race course and horses in the early morning.
Pour le son, je dirais le bruit des sabots sur l'hippodrome, les cris d'espoir et les joies des parieurs.
For the sound, it would be the hoofs of thoroughbreds on the race course, the cries of joy and despairs of betters.
Ou encore le son de la musique, quand, dans l'intimité d'une chapelle normande, jaillit les voix d'une chorale magistrale venue de chez vous, avec Everett McCovey.
Or the sound of music, when in a very intimate Norman chapel come out the magistral voices of a choir that came from you, from Lexington, with Everett McCarvey.
C'est Gershwin, Riley, Montgomery pendant notre festival de Pâques, joué par les quartets Sniles et Verdi de Lexington, et l'extraordinaire et talentueuse audace de l'ordinateur de leur professeur Benjamin Karp comme instrument d'appoint.
It's Gershwin, Riley, Montgomery during our Easter festival, a music festival in Deauville, when it's played by the quartets Niles and Verdi from Lexington, and the extraordinary and very talented, audacious endeavor to use a computer by the professor Benjamin Karp as another instrument.
Ce serait aussi, et pour finir, les voix enfantines des enfants de nos écoles qui balbutient leurs premiers mots d'anglais sous la gouverne de professeurs américains venus de UK ou de Transylvania.
It would also have to be the voices of our children in our school who are starting to utter their first words in English under the tutorage of students who came from the University of Kentucky and Transylvania.
Ce serait enfin
It will be at last
les larmes sur les joues qu'ils prennent dans la gravité du cimetière de Colville, devant les tombes des soldats du Kentucky dont ils viennent chaque année fleurir les tombes.
It will be the tears coming down, rolling down the cheeks of these children when they walk into the American cemetery of Colville and put flowers on the graves of the Kentucky soldiers who gave their lives.
C'est notre réalité partagée, c'est Lexington dans le quotidien de Deauville et des Deauvillais, et je pourrais continuer, mais je retourne m'asseoir. Je ne veux pas désobéir au vieil adage. Tu vas au pupitre, tu dis merci, tu retournes t'asseoir.
This is our shared reality. This is the Lexington in the daily lives of Deauville and its inhabitants. And I could go on, but I will go back and sit because I do not want to disobey. You go to the stand, you say thank you, and you go back to sit.
Nous avons sauvé le passé, je suis sûre que nous sauverons l'avenir. Merci.
We saved the past, and I know that we will build the future.
Merci.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vice Mayor. What a meaningful, from the heart message. Thank you so much.
Merci beaucoup, Madame Patry, pour ce message qui vient du fond du cœur.
It is now my distinct honor, to welcome and introduce the former President of the General Council of Calvados, who also happens to be the former Mayor of Deauville, Madame Anne Dornano.
Je suis très honorée d'accueillir maintenant et de vous présenter l'ancienne présidente du Conseil général, merci, sorry for that, du Conseil général du Calvados, qui était aussi pendant longtemps maire de Deauville, Anne Dornano.
And what an elegant representative of Deauville.
Et quelle élégance pour cette représentante de Deauville.
I don't want this in the way.
Well, before saying thank you and going back to my seat, I will say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lexington. We are 60 years old. None of us look it. Some of us may feel it. But we are 60 years of friendship, and it's worth saying happy birthday.
Avant de retourner m'asseoir, je voudrais juste dire à tous joyeux anniversaire. Nous avons 60 ans, nous ne le faisons pas, peut-être qu'on peut le ressentir, mais c'est très important de le célébrer et de dire joyeux anniversaire.
Lexington is for all of us who are here today, coming over from Deauville, our home in America.
Lexington est pour nous tous qui sommes là aujourd'hui, notre maison, notre chez nous aux États-Unis.
Your families have become our families.
Vos familles sont nos familles.
Your pains, your sorrows, your laughter we have shared.
Vos peines, vos chagrins, vos larmes, nous les avons partagés.
And I think, in real truth, we have all grown better because of each other.
Et en vrai, nous avons tous mieux grandi parce que nous sommes mieux développés parce que nous avons grandi ensemble.
It was mentioned that it was President Dwight D. Eisenhower who decided to start this twinning, the Sister City program. And I was fortunate enough to meet him when he came back to Normandy for the 20th anniversary of D-Day in 1964.
Nous avons évoqué que c'est le président Dwight D. Eisenhower qui a initié les programmes des Sister Cities et j'ai eu la chance de le rencontrer quand il est venu pour le 20e anniversaire du débarquement en Normandie en 1964.
He landed at the very small Deauville airport to do a film for CBS television about the landing and the D-Day.
Il a atterri au petit aéroport de Deauville pour faire un film avec CBS sur les célébrations du débarquement.
My husband was then mayor, had just been elected mayor, and we went to meet him when he arrived.
Mon mari venait d'être élu maire de Deauville et nous sommes allés à sa rencontre pour l'accueillir à son arrivée.
And it was the first time I heard about Lexington.
C'est la première fois que j'entendais parler de Lexington.
Or anyway, of the twinning, the Sister City program. And he said how much it meant to him that these Normandy towns would be sister cities to American towns.
Et le président Eisenhower insistait sur l'importance qu'avaient à ses yeux ces partenariats, ces jumelages entre entre une ville normande et des villes américaines.
And at that time I thought, this has got to work, this has got to develop, because Lexington accepted to be sister city to this small French town. And it was very courageous of Lexington because we didn't have, aside from horses, and they can't speak, or not directly to us, it was so different. We are a small seaside town, we've grown bigger and more famous, but at that time we had just gone, nobody in Lexington, I'm sure, except the horse people knew about Deauville. And yet you accepted, this big town accepted to become sister city to a 3,000 inhabitant town.
Dès lors, j'ai senti à quel point ce jumelage était important et à quel point nous avions le devoir de l'aider à grandir et à se développer. C'était très courageux de la part de Lexington, une grande ville, d'accepter une toute petite ville comme Deauville. Nous n'avions pas grand-chose en commun à l'époque, à part peut-être le cheval, mais les chevaux ne parlent pas. Et on était vraiment tout petit par rapport à Lexington. Je pense qu'à part les gens de chevaux, personne à Lexington ne connaissait Deauville. Nous n'avions que 3000 habitants à l'époque, mais nous nous sommes beaucoup développés depuis.
I think the most important thing is that the young people would be able to learn about each other. In Normandy, lots of you have been to Normandy. Normandy, the American people represent liberty, freedom, peace, and all of us know every day the sacrifices the American people did when they came to save us in 1944.
Avant tout, c'est très important pour les jeunes, il a toujours été très important pour les jeunes d'apprendre à se connaître. Et en Normandie, il y a un profond respect et un amour pour les Américains parce que nous savons tous le sacrifice qu'ils ont fourni. Et pour nous, l'Amérique et les Américains signifient la liberté.
It was important that the young generations should never forget, and that's what we worked on.
Et il était très important pour que les jeunes n'oublient jamais, que les nouvelles générations n'oublient jamais. Et c'est une de nos missions.
And it's a great honor for me and for all the delegation to congratulate Mr. Robinson today. I can imagine what he went through, and I'd like him to know what he represents as far as we are concerned, and that the people in Normandy will never forget 1 minute of those days and 1 minute of what you've done. I'd like the French delegation to stand up and applaud Mr. Robinson.
C'est très important pour nous de saluer Monsieur Robinson qui est ici parce que nous pouvons imaginer ce qu'il a vécu sur nos plages et nous savons ce que ça représente pour nous et nous demandons à toute la délégation française de se lever et de saluer, d'applaudir Monsieur Robinson.
The wind is blowing, Mr. Robinson. The wind is blowing, but I'm sure it's blowing all the way to Normandy.
Le vent souffle, Monsieur Robinson, et je pense qu'il souffle pour vous jusqu'en Normandie.
And that from here, it will take the message of our thanks to all of you, to Lexington, to you, Mr. Mayor. Betty Mills, when she came to Deauville last time in her speech, said that the nice thing about me was that I never said no when Lexington asked for anything. But I'll tell you, there was no reason to say no, because everything they asked for was reasonable and everything was positive. And I'm glad that we were able to do what we've done. So thank you, Lexington. Happy birthday, Mr. Mayor, to your city, and thank you. And now I'll go back. Did I do what I was supposed to do? Get up, say thank you, and sit down.
I know that our French delegation knows this, but for all of us in Lexington, Madame Dornano was recently awarded the National Order of the Legion of Honor in France, and that is an incredible honor, extraordinary.
Et je pense que les Français le savent, mais Madame Dornano a récemment reçu l'ordre de maître de la Légion d'honneur, un officier, grand officier de la Légion d'honneur. Merci.
So we are also fortunate, so fortunate today to have the mayor and representatives from another of our sister cities with us today, and that is, of course, County Kildare. Lexington's relationship with County Kildare in Ireland began over 30 years ago. When the two cities became sister cities in 1984. Mayor Martin Miley, just as no short drive from Deauville to Lexington. We know that you have traveled a very long distance to be with us here today, and we welcome you to our city.
Thank you very much, Mayor Gray, Vice Mayor Isabel. It's a great honour for us to be here from County Kildare in Lexington to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the twinning of Deauville and Lexington. I suppose it's any twinning of, as we call it in Kildare, or sister cities, is like a marriage. Anyone that's married for 60 years will know that a lot of work has to go in to a marriage to continue and to take place. And it just shows the amount of nurturing and the amount of love and connections that has been made over the 60 years has grown and continues to grow. And it's interesting to just listen to the speeches here this morning as we talk about the economic, the social and the culture connections that have been made throughout the sister cities. And just when you fly into Lexington here, it's my first time here, it's just fantastic to see the beautiful city that you have and also the wonderful landscape that you have, and particularly the horse industry that you have within the city.
Mayor Riley. I'm going to try.
I possibly should have stopped beforehand.
All right.
I would like to apologize to the interpreter.
Summary. Mayor Riley félicite les villes pour le 60e anniversaire du jumelage. Il est très content d'être ici alors qu'eux célèbrent le 30e. Il dit que c'est une relation de 60 ans, c'est comme dans un mariage en fait. Il faut beaucoup donner et on grandit ensemble. C'est la première fois qu'il vient à Lexington et il est très impressionné par la ville et aussi par les paysages magnifiques qu'on trouve autour de nous en voyageant à Lexington.
And again, I'd just like to thank some of our delegation in Kildare, and obviously it does some work without people coming together and people leading it. So I'd like to acknowledge our chairperson, Senan Griffin, for the work that he has done. We have councillors McCabe, Weld and Brett here as well from County Kildare. I'd just like to acknowledge them, and our CEO, Peter Minnick, and our director, Peter Carey. I'd also like to acknowledge Kay and Sarah here in Deauville or in Lexington for the work that they do.
Et donc, monsieur le maire salue la présence de plusieurs membres de la délégation de Kildare, notamment monsieur Griffin, McCabe, Mr. Brett et le président de leur comité de jumelage. On remercie aussi énormément Kay Sargent et Sarah Martin pour le travail qu'ils font ici.
Again, it's just a great honour. It's interesting that it's named Sister Cities because it's certainly led at the moment by a lot of women, ladies in both, in the number of cities. So it's interesting that it was named 60 years ago Sister Cities.
Il est intéressant de remarquer le terme Sister Cities, les sœurs, parce qu'on trouve beaucoup de femmes très impliquées et très moteurs dans le développement des Sister Cities.
On behalf of Kildare, we'd just like to acknowledge Victor Robinson here as well. Just think, in the 1940s, to leave a town or a city like Kentucky here and head for the fields of France in a war. The courage that shows is just phenomenal. And Victor, it's great to have you here as a survivor from that. The number of years that you spent there and the courage that you showed to stand up for what is right. And we'd just like to acknowledge that.
Il est important aussi de reconnaître le courage de Victor Robinson, de savoir les moments qu'il a passés sur les champs de bataille et le temps qu'il a donné de sa vie. Nous voulons le remercier.
And again, as it was mentioned, we're twinned for 33 years and we're very, very proud of it. Possibly, as we speak of the marriage, we could be a child of the marriage. But we are certainly very, very encouraged by it, and we want to extend to create more links throughout the cities, and we certainly leave an open invitation to all the sister cities to come to Kildare, County Kildare, experience what we have, and you'll get the same hospitality that we have got here today. We would like to thank you very, very much, and we look forward to the rest of our stay.
Du haut de nos 33 ans, nous sommes peut-être l'enfant de ce mariage dont je parlais un peu plus tôt. Et il est important de poursuivre cet élan. Nous vous invitons tous à venir découvrir le County Kildare. Et vous y retrouverez, on l'espère, une hospitalité digne de ce que vous vivez ici en ce moment.
I just asked the mayor if he goes by Lord Mayor in County Kildare, and it's correct. So thank you so much, Lord Mayor. All right. Today, as we celebrate this extraordinary relationship of our sister cities, and especially the 60th anniversary of our relationship with Deauville, we not only look back on our mutual accomplishments, but we look ahead and forward as well. And to commemorate this extraordinary day, first, I would like to do what mayors in our American cities do, and that is to present a proclamation.
Aujourd'hui, alors que nous célébrons l'esprit positif et productif de notre jumelage, et particulièrement le 60e anniversaire de cette relation avec Deauville, nous voulons bien sûr pas seulement regarder vers le passé, mais aussi vers l'avenir. Et pour commémorer cette grande occasion, nous voulons faire ce que beaucoup de maires dans nos villes américaines font, c'est de lire une proclamation. La voici.
Thank you, Councilmember Farmer, for handing me this proclamation, and it reads, Lexington-Deauville Sister Cities Day. Whereas Sister Cities International was founded by President Eisenhower on September 11, 1956, at a White House conference on citizen diplomacy. And whereas in 2017, Lexington Sister Cities is celebrating 60 years of global citizen and civic diplomatic action, and whereas over the past 60 years, Lexington Sister Cities has had a significant impact through partnerships that have built bridges across nations, cities, and communities around the globe, and whereas countless citizens and city leaders have formed lasting relationships through sister cities, educational, cultural, professional, municipal, and economic exchange programs. And whereas to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the 60 Sister Cities bond between Lexington and Deauville, France, we renew our commitment to continue to build a peaceful future through people-to-people exchanges. Now, therefore, I, Jim Gray, as Mayor of Lexington, do hereby proclaim October 27, 2017 as Lexington-Deauville Sister Cities Day.
Je vous promets une traduction littérale un peu plus tard.
And now something that we are very excited about. I'd like to invite our visitors to join me as we unveil a very special bench that will reside right here in the core of our downtown. It will always remind us of this special relationship that we have with our sister city, Deauville.